4.
Come on, Bengali Does.
Let's go, baby! Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone.
Yes. And then we'll go on to the next case.
Good luck, my friends.
Guys, Mother Rib, get your spots for the next one.
Here we go.
I got a work meeting in 20. I am glad it filled fast.
Hell yeah. Let's go, Wig. Break 3's in the shop, guys. Break 3's pinned up. Good luck, y'all. Base pack to start out. McFadden. Shador on the base. Stewart. Barry Sanders. Silver and a hyper. There's Maxwell Harrison. Jalen Royals. Trey Harris on the silver. George Kittle on the hyper going to the Niners. Very nice. And the base, George Kittle. And then you get me higher. Green scope. Green scope. Schwezzy. Walker. Not a rookie. Patrick Surtain the second, the 75 PS2 on the green scope. Fireworks of Hertz. PS2 for the Broncos. Nice.
Vash, welcome in.
What's up, Vash? And we can ride the boogie. Football print. Fournette. Jalen Lane, Yazidi Cow, rookie of Dante Thornton on the football emoji to 180. Ted McMillan on the silver.
What's up, thing boss?
What's up, Kevin? Camo? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Camo. Penix on the fractal. Trey Harris. Tyleek Williams, not a rookie. Commanders. There's Scary Terry to 15. 4 of 15. On that camo. Nice hit for the Mandy's. Nice hit for the Mandy's. Scary Terry to 15. Guys, tons of color coming out of here. 2 autos at least per box. Mullings, Travion Henderson. Silver Derwin James. There's Adam Thielen to 249. Jordan James on the silver rookie auto for the Niners. And base.
Guys, get your spots for break 3. Pinned up down below. There are so many cheap teams still on the board, guys. I only have 1 team down so far.
Let's go, guys.
Let's snap fill that break. Let's be halfway filled.
Get that next break going.
We
Tons of color coming out here. It is release day, baby. It is release day, baby. Prizm is hot. Prizm is hot. Football emoji, or not football, Super Bowl print. Super Bowl print. Travis Hunter. Malachi Starks. Rookie, come on, give it to me. Travis Hunter to 60. Going to the Jags. Very nice. There's Global Reach, Jaden Reed. Kyle Hamilton on the silver. There we go, Jags. Travis Hunter to 60. Sick hit for the Jags. That's B-Law. That's B-Law. Let's go. Blue Wave. Derek Harmon. Matty Golden. Silver of Debo Samuel. Rookie Tyler Shuck. Going to Colton Miller. Nope. Not a case hit. Shuck on the Blue Wave. Going to the Saints. Let's go, Colton Miller. Let's go, Colton Miller. Purple Power. DJ Giddens. Kevin. Aldrich Estime to 49 for the Broncos. Dart. There is Jeremiah Owusu-Karamoah on the silver auto for the Browns. Owusu-Karamoah for the Browns. Are we going to get another auto in here? Because they've usually been in the first pack. Are we going to get an extra auto here? Let's see how that goes. Owusu-Karamoah for the Browns. Base. Let's see. To 230, I believe. To 230 on the Blue Wave. Rourke, Hampton. Broncos, Tony Dorsett to 225. We have Caleb Williams on the Prizm Break silver. Jerome the Bus on the Rams. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Guys, get your teams down below for the next break. Break number 3 of the day.
See if we get that extra auto here.
Dooley, what's up, Dooley?
Judkins, Johnson, silver of Ricky P. Who shot you? Abdul Carter, Trey McBride. Come on. Bless me with that extra auto. Come on. Come on. Maybe not. Who's that? Jay Jettas, Mason Taylor, Jalen Noel. There's Christian Bedford. Adrian Peterson on the All-Pros. I guess they just changed up the auto spot on me here. Christian Benford for the Bills on the Blue Wave. Guys, a shit ton of color. Still no case hit. Still no case hit.
It's either in this one or it's in the next one.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Amy with the share. Appreciate you, Amy. How we doing today?
Surprised they didn't put Peterson in a Tennessee uniform.
Huh.
No, this is the second box. We have 2 more after this. 2 more after this. Will Campbell.
Box?
This is the second box.
The second box, Ant.
There's Trey Benson. Michael Williams on the silver auto. So now they're putting the auto back in the first pack? It's so weird. Throwing me off with these patterns. Trey Benson on the football print for the Cards.
L Bonds, 25 of them in.
That's going to USMC Misery and Michael Williams. Michael Williams. Give it up, give it up. Green Scope. Thornton. Mertz. Spencer the Rat. Rattler to 75. Montana. Gibbs. Saints to 75. Rattler.
You got Rattler and Shuck. Wow.
It's somewhere. It's somewhere.
It's either these four or the other next break.
Jade Barron. Smith. Laporta Silver. Rookie Tyler Booker on the red wave to 149 for the Cowboys. Super free.
Guys, go get your teams down below for the next break. I only have one team down right now. We should be snapping on that break with as many as colors that are coming out of these breaks, guys. Left and right.
Absolutely.
Left side.
Camo. Blue camo. Pat Bryant. JT Tumaluma. Chris Jones on the blue camo. To 25 for the Chiefs.
Absolutely, Dor.
Ted McMillan. Elik Ayamanor on the silver auto. Going to the Titans. And base. Nice Chris Jones for the Chiefs. 25. Super free. Tez Johnson. TJ Sanders. There's Drake May. There's Drake May.
Yeah, right
Drake May to 230 on the blue wave. Loveland Prismatic Silver and base. A nice hit for the Pats right there. Woody, Hunter, Silver of Rocket Ishmael, Prism Break of Caleb, and Basse.
Guys, you guys gotta love Prizm, guys.
Such a lit product. Such a lit product. Rourke, Omarion Hampton. There's Marvin Harrison Jr. on the blue wave. Cardinals are coming out, USMC.
Who's gonna be his quarterback next year?
I think they draft.
Word on the street is Colts are not re-signing Daniel Jones.
Yeah.
What? That's the
Yep.
word on the street?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep, that is the word. Imagine he goes to the Cardinals.
That'd be sick.
Of course, it's a Jets.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
Yo, could you imagine if he goes to the Jets, right?
Yeah.
And then he takes him to a Super Bowl? Wow, the Giants would freak out.
Judkins, Johnson, Dylan
I'd take
Gabriel.
I mean, we see what he's capable of doing.
Yeah. That would actually be that
I think
bad.
they just need a tanking team this year. Then you go for Manning.
Archie and Mike Tomlin.
Yeah, Arch Manning, Mike Tomlin, 2027. Tyler Shuck, Emike Egbuka, Silver Malachi Starks, Dwayne Bowie for the Chiefs.
I have a question. Is Arch Manning actually really fucking good, or is it just because of the name and the potential that he can bring a team?
I think.
Right?
I think. It's the name.
What do you guys think? Is Arch Manning really like him, or is it just really the name? Right? He's hit. Wow, Colin said he's Himothy, baby.
You think so, Colin?
It's good. He can. Oh, Mojo. He can run too. Like the guy's a stud. Arroyo, Howard, Sam Laporta on the purple. Global Reach.
Rookie.
Kyle McCord!
Not who we were looking for. Not who we were looking for. But
25.
still a nice hit for the Eagles. Still a very nice hit for the Eagles.
Danny Dimes to the Steelers. No.
Could have happened.
Good.
You can go anywhere.
Well, they got Mike McCarthy.
I think they gotta give Will Howard a shot.
Just wait till the upcoming year. He's got his feet wet last year. They want to sign Dane again?
I mean, dude, the guy can play. You know, he knows how to run the football, put his head down, do what he's got to do. I think Arch Manning's a beast.
Black, yes.
Black 1 of 1.
Ow! Funk, yes, it's a 4-boxer. Everything gets shipped except for base.
I need this.
Come on. There's Jason Sehorn. Is it not a black 101? To 99. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Damn it! Wall, you and me?
What the fuck? Shit!
You did it again.
I did it again! I'm sorry! Tell me that doesn't look like a black 101! Does it not look like a black 101? When you sweat it like that?
Giving heart attacks twice today. Freaking Prizm break.
Jeez Louise!
Typical Jers getting everyone's hopes up.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't usually do it, okay?
Sorry! So much for that video.
It's okay, we still love you.
Thank you. Shit! Tyler Warren, Jameer DK. There's Tyleek Williams on the blue ice. Tyler Warren, Ferragamo. Appreciate you, Kiwi.
Kiwi!
Brian, hand me a nice pile of top loaders here.
Bri, I'll take the Chargers next break, please.
Got it!
McStud Muffin.
McStud!
Y'all rock, y'all rock. I'm sorry.
Locked in, Craigie.
Last box.
Still have one more box. Brooks, Helm, Hampton. We have a Hyper. Hyper in silver. Milrow. Kenneth Grant. Travion Henderson on the silver for the Pats.
Hush, this is box 3.
Riley Leonard for the Colts to 200 on the Hyper. There we go, Colts.
This is box number 3.
There we go, Colts.
Yeah, we heard, Kiwi.
Super Bowl print. Luther Burden. Collins. James Conner. Wow, Cardinals colors coming out a lot.
There you go,
To
US.
60. Travis Hunter. You better run, you better take cover.
Squat! Welcome in, Squat.
Jack Besh. Michael Williams. Devontae Adams on the red wave. Fireworks silver. Base. There's the Rams. Devontae red wave to 149. Yeah, tell him, Cal.
Alright, guess what?
Miller, Iman Wari. Bengals, Carl Pickens. to 249, Caleb Johnson.
Nothing too crazy. What's up?
Not much to say. Jackson, Tesla. Bills, Dawson Knox on the purple. There's Emergent of Tyler Shuck. There's Jamar Chase on the throwback Prizm.
Thank you for the follow.
Thanks for the follow, Funk.
Something all right, Bike?
Apparently that's what I'm told.
Who?
Of the color.
Yeah. Why? Who said it?
Like 5
No.
people.
What?
Like 5 people.
No, like Mike said it. And some...
Oh, let's go!
Yep.
Dying.
No Troy Aikman Gold DT.
It is not. It is not.
Going right, Millwright.
Damian Martinez, Makuba, Zay Flowers, Purple Ice of TJ Watt for the Steelers to 225.
Guys, in the first 2 breaks of the day, how are you guys liking Prizm? I mean, I think it's freaking pretty freaking sick. I think it's I think this is a good product.
I'm having fun.
Look at me, I am the captain now. Love Prizm, yeah, dude.
Look
I
at
got
me.
4 cases for you.
You have a thickie.
Uh-oh.
RPA.
I had one last night too.
Oh, God.
Through the rear? Through the rear?
Give me an RPA. Give me
Isabel, ETN. White? Tucker Craft.
Oh, that's my boy.
On the white to 35. Wow.
Gorgeous.
Very sick card.
No giveaways left, guys, too. And guys, I literally have 3...
Kyle Williams. What a patch.
I literally have 3 teams down in the next break.
Kyle Williams on the RPA.
Needs a picky boy.
I got a thing.
You got one?
Yo, chill.
Not saying anything.
Chill. Chill.
Not saying a word.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Green Hyper. Felton. There's Derek Brown on the Hyper. Mahomes on the Fractal. And the base.
Frackle?
Fractal.
Oh, yeah.
Loveland, Riley Leonard, Silver of Jim Kelly, Sean Taylor.
Guys, 4 down in the next break already. Keep it rolling.
McCord, Amos, Silver Chris Carter. There's Chuba Hubbard.
Juba.
Nick Imanwari on the rookie silver auto for these chickens. For the chickens.
Guys, 4 teams down in the next break. Keep going to the shop. Take your teams.
There was a Tet Silver auto. It's the best hit so far for the Panthers. Nothing massive. Tet Silver auto. Jalen Waddle on the purple ice.
On a Waddle.
All right, final box, everybody.
Good luck.
Herpy. Tootin' and Bootin', Scatabo. Rookie Jalon Walker to 225. Quinshon Judkins, Will Anderson on the silver. Elick, Maffa, Silver Xavier Leggett.
What's up, Lewis?
Lance Briggs. Lance Briggs to 180 for the Bears.
Bear down.
What, is he here or is he in the live?
He's in the live.
Oh. Careful what you do. Ooh, Purple Power Auto. Taj Brooks, Gunnar Helm. Terry McLaurin again, Scary Terry. Again, Scary Terry. It's gotta be Scatabo back there. Maybe not. Rome Odunze. Rome Odunze to 49. Da Bears. Who's got Bears? Arm McCuddy. Nah, no big Browns. Milrow, Grant on the orange. Caleb Global Reach silver.
Billy G.
Guys, I'm just letting you know, if the case doesn't come out of this box,
You guys need to run to that shop.
run to the shop. Collins, LeGarrette Blunt, Abdul Carter.
Guys, when we're down to the last pack and there's no case hit that comes out, run to the shop.
Namdi Madabuki. There's Brian Mitchell.
Misery's in on the next break.
Come on. Gold me up here. Gold me up. Case hit me up.
Backwards.
Where's that
There's
Tracy?
white.
White.
Did it just come out recently, Craigie?
Which?
He wants the base Tracy.
It just came out.
Manungai.
It just came out.
You guys have a good weekend?
Yeah. We streamed.
Craigie wants it.
It's a 35 Carnell Lake Prismatic Genty.
Craigie, I just gave it to Al.
Surprised he caught that.
Yeah. No problem, Craigie.
Yeah. Take 50 off the Commanders for Colt Miller, who used the credit for that.
Give me one sec, Colt.
Absolutely. Booker. Phil Maffa. There's Calvin Ridley on the orange to
I
249.
will let you know when you're good. I will let you know when.
Ferguson, Williams, Joe Mixon to 60 on the Super Bowl print.
Colin, go take it.
Oh, that's a thick one.
Looks like two
Checker.
purple powers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Purple ice of Christian Watson. And Patty Mahomes.
Wow, that's a sick one.
That is to 49
That's actually
on the
low-key
Prizm
sick.
break. Very nice. Sick hit for the Chiefs.
Is that Roma Dunze?
Yeah, on the auto, yeah.
Wow, that's sick.
Colin's
the
locked in
Watsons
for his
to
Commanders.
225.
Yo, guys,
Make sure you
you
put 'em back on.
hop into that next one. That's all I'm gonna say. Holy
Guys,
shit.
Case is still alive. Unless it comes out in these last two.
Caleb Johnson, Jackson Dart, Trevor Lawrence on the hyper. That's sick. Nice color match. Trevor Lawrence again. Final pack. Good luck.
Appreciate
Try.
you, Funk. Appreciate you, man.
We try to keep it competitive.
Nope.
Blue Wave and Silver Auto.
So, case it alive in the next break.
Guys, last 4 boxes with case hit.
Case hit live, guys. Case hit is live in the next break.
Jerome Ford,
The final 4 boxes.
Isaiah Pacheco for the Chiefs. Brad Johnson on the Silver Auto.
Our team got public flying now. Yep. With a manga color blast next break.
Let's go, baby.
Or Prismania. Guaranteed next break, guys. 21 teams left.
Oh, let's go, Misery. We try and have fun, Funko. We keep it 100. We just enjoy this. We just enjoy the vibes.
Yeah.
We just enjoy the vibes. And you went to high school with them? That's sick. We keep it 100. No numbered Giants. I don't think in any of these either. Are the Giants down yet?
Manies are back up.
Manners are back up. Perfect.
What?
Do you want it? You can have. You can have it.
Is that mine or yours?
Wait. Which the
Florida!
one? The everything is Brian. So eat the. The everything is Brian.
The egg, everything's mine. Unless Sam wants it. Or you want it. Okay.
But you can have mine. Mine's the regular egg.
Cowboys other way.
Let's
Gotcha,
go,
Wigs.
Look how much color comes out of these breaks, guys. It's insane. Look at the pile of hits.
Wiggy, I think they just won.
Yeah, Wiggy, we got beat on them. Sorry, Wig.
Things are flying.
Sorry, Wigmeister. The teams
Dang.
are flying, guys. We have not pulled a case hit.
That was all in 4 boxes. Wow.
I'm gonna get the
next one?
4. Yep, in the back.
Word.
Just don't sit.
Yep.
I'm gonna open it here while everybody sees it.
Okie dokie.
I'm right behind you, so.
I'm gonna do the standing
Yep.
Colts if you can get them. Pickens, Dwayne Bowe, Jamar Chase, Devontae Adams, Tyreek Williams, Kenneth Grant, Seahorn, McCord, Mojo,
Locked
Light,
in.
Briggs, Hubbard, Knox, Dorsett, Aldrich Estime, Isaiah Pacheco, T-Law, Ridley, Matabuki, Waddle, Booker, Rattler to 75, Brad Johnson, Joe Mixon to 60, Scary Terry to 60, Derek Brown, Benford, TJ Watt, Trey Benson, Jalen Walker, auto of Jeremiah Owuzu-Karamoa, Laporta, Thornton, Thielen, Bowers, that is to 99, that I thought was a black 101, PS2 on the scope, George Kittle, Kyle Williams on the RPA, Romo Dunze on the Purple Power auto to 49, James Conner to 60 on the Super Bowl, Marvin Harrison, Drake May, Iman Wari, Jordan James auto, Michael Williams auto, Tucker Kraft White to 35, Elick on the auto, Patty Mahomes to 49,
He'll show you in a
Scary
minute.
Terry, Riley Leonard. Yeah, let me know what team you want to see. Oh, the manga checklist itself? Yeah. Give me one sec.
We have everything.
Riley Leonard, Travis Hunter, Chuck, and Chris Jones. That's on the...
Let me get behind you.
Yeah.
Sensi, thanks, fellas.
How many was in this one?
So guys, fresh case is going behind this box. So this is, guys, this is the final 4 boxes right over here. You guys see me putting out the other ones over here. So
20.
I think 52.
I'm putting the fresh case right behind it, guys. Fresh case. So these are the final 4 boxes of that box. And once again, I will repeat for all new people hopping in, fresh case is behind.
54. There was even more hits in this break than the last break. 54 in this one. Doesn't even include what we didn't put up on the board. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Thank you.
HS. I'm gonna look here. If you did, it could be a glitch, and if it did, take it out of your bank. TikTok should spit it back in a little bit. But I'm gonna check right now. Yeah, I don't see it twice on here. If it did, it's gonna spit it back in a little bit.
TikTok is trying to silence me.
TikTok be silencing the people, right? Yeah.